Oman.
Tampok ang makatawag pansing toy designs ng mahigit 10 Pinoy at Pilay artists sa International Urban Arts Project MEGA sa Dubai, na nilahukan ng 40 Dubai-based artists. Isa pang balitang off na off mula kay Maha Morales.
Mahigit 10 Pinoy at Pinay artists ang napiling mag-exhibit sa International Urban Art Project na nakadisplay ngayon sa catwalk ng Dubai Mall, ang pinakamalaki at popular na mall sa Middle East. 40 Dubai-based artists lamang ang pasok sa Project MEGA Biennial Toy Design Exhibition sa taong ito.
The theme this time we put into effect was pop culture. So artists basically got, take the MEGA home.
Isa sa pinaka-aabangang toy designs ang ginawa ng international award-winning designer na si Lina Oreta Alamudi at ng kanyang kapatid na si Akram na base sa Japanese Ghibli anime.
My favorite cartoon of all time, Ponyo on the Cliff by the Sea. So I chose to represent her character, which is a goldfish that turns into a little girl.
May superheroes na sina Thor at Batman.
Paborito siya nung anak ko, so yan yung napili kong karakter. Tsaka mas madali siyang gawin kaysa sa iba.
May Zatanna ng Justice League.
I chose her because she's the love interest of Robin. So not many people knew about her, so I just wanted to popularize her a bit.
Maamong monster si Frankenstein.
There's a twist in it. It's called Frightenstein. As you can see, he's afraid of humans.
At laruang hinango sa pelikulang Predator.
Siyempre, proud ako nakasali ko sa ganitong klase ng exhibit. Isang kagaya kong first-timer.
Hinulma at pininta rin ang karakter ni Gollum ng popular film series na Lord of the Rings.
Smeagol or Gollum is one of my most favorite animated characters. He's so cute, scary at the same time, but he's just a very, very strong character.
Meron ding E.T.
Just for fun, like double pop culture, like E.T. old school and then new school with an iPhone.
At Queen Amidala ng Star Wars saga.
Nahirapan ako dun sa damit kasi hands-on lahat yung damit. Nahirapan ako medyo mag-measure kasi 8 inches lang yung total height ng toy. Tapos, gumamit ako ng Swarovski, ng sequence, at saka ng terracotta air drying clay para dun sa buhok niya.
Pang-4 na taon ang nagtatanghal ng Urban Art Toy Design Exhibition ang Project MEGA sa Dubai. At sa bawat taon, laging lumilitaw ang galing ng Pinoy artists at designers.
You can really tell that there's like a great boost in creativity and execution of their art pieces. It's really amazing.
Nagbabalita sa Middle East, Maha Moralde, Dubai, United Arab Emirates.